Hello little adventurers, welcome to the What Am I? Exciting quiz. This is a fun, educative, interesting, and exciting game where you'll get to guess the name of animals, fruits, vegetables, landforms, countries, and household items based on a series of clues. Each question will provide you with hints, and then you'll have 3 options to choose from. Are you ready to test your knowledge and have some fun? Let's get started. I am an animal, found in the grasslands of Africa. I am a big cat. I have a mane. I am known as the king of the jungle. What am I? Am I a tiger, a lion, or a leopard? I am a lion. I am yellow, crescent in shape, and long. Monkeys love to eat me. I am rich in potassium. What am I? Am I an apple, an orange, or a banana? I am a banana. I am orange and crunchy. Rabbits love to eat me. I am often used in salads. What am I? Am I a potato, a tomato, or a carrot? I am a carrot. I am a tall, pointed landform. I often are slow at my peak. Climbers love to scale me. What am I? Am I a valley, a mountain, or a plateau? I am a mountain. I am known for my pyramids. The Nile River flows through me. My capital is Cairo. What am I? Am I Greece, Egypt, or India? I am Egypt. You use me to keep your food cold. I have a freezer compartment. I am in the kitchen. What am I? Am I an oven, a refrigerator, or a microwave? I am a refrigerator. Great job, everyone! You've completed part 1 of the What Am I? Quiz. We hope you had fun and learned something new about animals, fruits, vegetables, landforms, countries, and household items. Keep exploring and discovering new things every day. Keep learning, and keep exploring new things every day. Thanks for playing, and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the series of the quiz. Until we meet again next time, bye.